In part one of the end of summer vacation, we camped at Mayer State Park and did a little fishing, some nature watching, and lots of relaxing along Mobile Bay. In part two, we head east to Florida's Topsail Hill Preserve State Park near Destin to take a dip in the Emerald Coast and enjoy the wonderful campground amenities. So stay tuned. As soon as Daddy got our bikes off the back of the truck, we made our way down to the beach.
Yellow means rip currents, so you can't go out too far. Purple means dangerous marine life, and it's the ocean, so it's all dangerous, let me tell it. But usually they put those up when there's been like jellyfish in the area.
How would you figure that out?
Somebody gets stung and report that there's jellyfish in the area. Absolutely beautiful. Just like that. His neighbors over there. Very shady and always a raft. I've told him not to go out too far. I swear it was a new Xbox the way he grinned when the guy asked if we wanted it. They didn't want to bring any of their cool toys. Too much to carry, I suppose. Look how clear this water is. See my toes. See my toes. Thank y'all for waiting. Good sons. Fellow viewers, it's the Topsail Hill death. It does not look like much on camera, but after playing in the surf and the sand, this hill right here, it's ridiculous. Whew. Alright, cut the camera. Playground over here. Used to be one of the boys' favorite places to go when we came here. Time flies. They grow up so fast. Now I don't even think they give it a second look.
We started day two with a short bike ride from our campsite to the pool within the campground.
Yes, it was. We've actually camped, I think, over either this section or the other section. I think it's... No, we had a spot right here. Let's walk it. I brought my fishing pole. I mean, I'll be swimming while I'm fishing. the pool today. One of my favorite places to be.
Go to the edge.
I like the pool better than the beach some days, just for the sake of the sand. But, huh? Is it okay? Let it dry out. Forgot he had his phone in his pocket. I think he's trying to get a new one. Chlorine on us. It's either salt or chlorine. You pick your poison, if you will. Much more chill day. We may see what this weather does, and after it passes, you and I can take a bike ride to the beach if JD don't want to go. We're enjoying ourselves though. It's a great day. I hear beach requests from kids in the back, and of course, even my boys are like, one of them at least wants to go to the beach. JD, no beach for you? He shakes his head, no beach for him. Beach day, day 2. Just me and Daniel this time. JD's had his fill of the sand, so had to get Daniel back down here to the beach so he could use this gifted toy that he's received, get beat up by a little wave or two. I soak up as much sun as I can get during this time of year. Anytime we can make it down this way, I am always thankful to be able to have this view.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you said, anywhere.
vacations. Many, many more.
Hey, all down with Southern Tiger Channel here. It's Friday afternoon, and I'm paddling out to do an overnight canoe camping trip.
Good morning. Well, it is our last day at Topsail, and I am up. Let me tell it with the sun. It's about 7, and I want to get a little fishing in. Check out at Florida State Parks. They're around 1, but I am here somewhat on a domestic capacity. So
Almost forgot that I was here in a domestic capacity.
So I gotta fish early and then go back and cook breakfast, get everybody pretty much ready to go inside. Daddy handles the outside stuff. So gonna see if we can hook a fish in Florida. So I had to pay $20 to fish legally in Florida. It's a 3-day pass fish as a non-resident. This is my first day. Hoping my $20 will pay off. If I catch one fish, it's worth it. Paid $47 for an annual pass in Alabama, and August is when that is up. So as of yet, I am in the hole. Ziploc bag in here. I'm gonna see if I can catch it. Get it out. In Florida. Proud, if you will. Got a fish in it, though. Nope, no fish. You never know. Oh, Lord have mercy. Gotta try. Could have been one leaving it. That tickled me. So we've wrapped up another camping trip here at Topsail Hill Preserve State Park in Florida. And while it was a short couple of days, we enjoyed it. We had beach time, we had pool time, we rode bikes. Just a really good time here at this state park. I fished a little, didn't catch anything, but that's normal. But I still enjoyed myself. The boys are looking forward to going back to school. So come next week, they'll be back. Daddy's back from getting fuel, so we're about to wrap up. And if you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, I would appreciate it if you'd like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next video, thank you for watching.